Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're like me and you own a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, you probably have these carbon fiber appliques. Any SRT vehicle actually, you probably have these carbon fiber appliques every place on your vehicle. And they are notoriously known for coming undone. So I'm going to show you here how to fix them and what I use in order for them to stay in place. And mind you, this vehicle does sit outside from time to time, and we're in Wisconsin, so it's extremely cold. So this is the first setup I have here. I've got my lower level of 3M tape, adhesive tape, or you can get this off of Amazon or any old place. And that's the first layer that I put on, and then I'm going to put a strip up here, and then we're going to put the actual carbon fiber back onto the vehicle. All right, as you can see, we've got both of our strips on there, so now we're going to actually line the piece up to the best of our ability here. This is especially difficult with one hand, so the corner is the area where you're really going to want to make sure it's secure. And the problem is you have to be very careful when you're securing this on, because this carbon fiber applique can break, as carbon fiber is, fairly susceptible to damage. And now keep this in mind that when you use this 3M tape, nothing's going to be perfect. And that's the real issue that happens here with these appliques. But it's going to be good enough to where it is basically unnoticeable to the untrained eye. As you can see, I should have added another little option of tape right there. But for the most part, it's holding well. You do want to place a little pressure on it here. And again, it's not going to be perfect, but it is going to look a heck of a lot better than without any carbon fiber applique. So if you're in a warm climate, this is going to work a lot better than the cool climate like mine, because tape, as you know, when it gets cold, it tends to lose its adhesiveness. But everything right here is holding on very well. You just want to apply some pressure and boom, there you have it. So right there, I should have added a little bit more tape, but for the time being, this should hold. So boom, there you have it. That is a fixed carbon fiber applique.